Okay, so I played a couple days ago, but you're not going to see it because I went to go edit the video and realized I had forgotten to plug in my microphone. So there's no audio for the whole video. Uh, it wasn't a terribly exciting game. I mean, I did pretty well. I got, well, I actually got all the way up to number one spot in master, or in, not master, in gold. That's the Ukraine flag.
Are you sure about that?
I'm gonna say we're probably in Ukraine, but the games themselves weren't that exciting. Although it's annoying. I don't know. We're somewhere in Ukraine. Nope, we were in Sweden. That was a Swedish flag. That was a Swedish flag. It's alright. It's alright. Warm up round. Hold on here. We have a roof rack. What precaution reduced to Valsadin? Could this be, I think Guatemala and maybe Puerto Rico have roof racks? I'm thinking this is Guatemala. It was. For something, at first I thought we were in like Southeast Asia. Yeah, Guatemala. I should be able to guess way earlier. Stop sign. What part of the U.S. would this be? I mean, I guess it could be Canada, actually. Well, we got a mountain. Hold on, we got a mountain range to the east and to the west. Okay, we're surrounded by mountains. Teton. The Grand Tetons. That's a mountain. Where are the Grand Tetons? I think I've been there. They're not in California, are they? Where are the Grand Teton Mountains? Or is it like it's somewhere like Wyoming? It's somewhere in the Mountain West. Yeah, Teton County. It's got to be. Shoot, where are the Grand Tetons? I think I've been there, like for real. I just don't remember where they were. Or like Montana, it's somewhere in there. Shoot. This is embarrassing. I should know where they are. I should have guessed like 5 minutes ago. I think I'm further north. No, oh wow, I was close. Wow, I was actually really close. All right, it was in there somewhere. All right. The knowledge was in my brain somewhere, hidden from me. These crazy colors here. Looks like Spanish language. Looks like we got sun setting in the northwest. Is this small cam? Is that the small cam shape? I don't know what countries have small cam, but I need to learn it at some point. Everyone else knows it. Okay. Almost didn't get under the wire. Yeah, I had no idea. Red dirt, though. Yeah, Brazil. I guess that makes sense. I wasn't sure it was red dirt. It was just like the lighting, because the lighting was so weird. I guess because of the setting sun. Like a black car. Camarines Norte. This person's not messing around. Like, they kind of know what they're doing a little bit. Yeah, it was Philippines. Should have trusted my gut more. Okay, we got the star there. I think we're probably in Texas. No, we're in South Carolina. Was it 292? Yeah, can I find the 292? $278. Oh, you prick. I know we're somewhere in South Carolina. Damn it. Yeah, there it was. I didn't have time to look for it. Looks like maybe Southern Sun. Oh, we got a white car. Could this be... Hold on, are we in India or Sri Lanka? Hold on, looks like a flag up there. Looks like the Indian flag up there. Looks like we're down here, just based on the writing. Ooh, I needed that. I need a lot more than that, but jeez. All right, come on. Is this like Vietnam or something? I think this is Vietnam. I don't know. I'm gonna have to just kind of split the difference. Oh boy. Okay. I mean, I'm still in it. I mean, I'm making him work for it. You know, like there's something to that. I wasn't just an easy victory. Everything's closed. What the hell? This looks like U.S. This looks like. Well, this could be Western actually, or no, not Western, Eastern. Could be Eastern USA. 802. We're not in like California, are we? Could this be California? Hold on. What the heck flag is that? City of Burlington. Burlington. Like Vermont? Is there Burlington, Vermont? There's probably a lot of Burlingtons. But I think it's definitely green enough to be Vermont, yeah? Or am I thinking of something else? Shoot, he's seen something. I'm gonna go for Vermont. There is a Burlington here, right? Not Bennington, Burlington. I'm gonna go for it. Hopefully I'm right. Oh, let's go. Am I gonna get him? Oh my goodness. What a game. I mean, it's kind of not fair because it's like home turf, you know. I feel less good about winning on a USA round because, like, you know, kind of know it pretty well. Okay, not a bad game to start off with. Okay, well, it's somewhere English speaking. No stopping bus zone. Those don't look like U.S. signs. AU. Okay, or in Australia. I'm gonna say we're East Coast. I don't know where. Okay, right near Sydney. Right near Sydney. Why was he in the outback? What are you doing out there? That's weird. I don't even know if there's oh, we got weird small stop signs. Is that what country has the weird small stop signs? I want to say it's like Spain. Yeah, those are very peculiar looking stop signs. I think it's Spain that does. Yeah, .es. Okay, we're in Spain. We're in Spain. We have mountains to the west. Hold on, here's a sign. I don't know, that's really helpful. Hold on, this. N3, can I find the N301? E. Come on. There's N. Okay, nice. Oh, there, that is a town, Murcia. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I was just trying to figure out at least like what direction the highway numbers were decreasing or increasing, and I guess I was kind of right, so. Taligog. Why do I feel like this is Philippines? Wow, that's crazy. We have a concrete road. What places have concrete roads? We have Right Side Drive. Is that that excludes a couple places. Can I get a language? Oh, Philippines, South Cotabato, Bongo. I hope that's where we are. Yeah, I can't find it. Shoot. Wow, way at the bottom. I looked at that spot. Why didn't it see? Philippines again. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna put the pressure on, see how he reacts. It's north this time. I don't know if I would have been able to figure that out. Okay, sun looks like it's in the north. Left Side Drive. Which actually doesn't help because it doesn't... It just tells me it's one of the two countries I already thought it was going to be. So this doesn't really look like any Australia that I've seen. I think I'm gonna go South Africa. Wow. Okay, what's South Africa? Farther south. So where are those mountains that I was seeing? I didn't know there were mountains down there. Okay, well. Good instincts, not going Australia. I feel good about that. CH, that is of course Switzerland. Where in Switzerland, of course, is the question. Well, I don't have time to guess now. Or figure it out, I mean. Sure, you know? Yeah. I knew that. I'm just going to let them think that I meant to do that. That was crazy. That was a crazy guess. Hold on. What side drive do we have? I think we're left side drive. Yeah, we're left side drive. This is like Thailand. It was Thailand. It was way, way far south, but yeah. At least I got the right country. Ita team, seja bem-vindo. Familia. Brazil. Okay. Ooh, if I could find a let's say 7.5. Okay, so we're further east, but I had the right region. Yeah, dude, the Brazilian area codes are so helpful. But yes, it's 6, 7, 8, 9 going counterclockwise. That's like the northern half of the country. So 6 is like in the Amazon. We're at 4 times damage. Oh my goodness. Looks like southern-ish sun, but maybe near the equator. I mean, it looks tropical. I didn't see any. Yeah, I think we're in Brazil. I think we're near the equator. Wow. Well, we had the San Juan. We're both wrong. It was southern Mexico. So the sun lied to me. It's been known to happen. Okay, we are right side drive. We got bollards. I don't recognize. I don't know any bollards. We have red houses. Could this be Norway? These dotted outer road lines. We got dotted outer and dotted inner road lines. I wish I knew what that meant. I don't know. Somewhere here. Maybe. We're in Sweden. Okay, I gotta remember those road lines for Sweden. Okay, can't go that way. Great, love that. Wow. Well, it was a 12-round game. That was a serious game. All right. Devagar Trevo. Meters. Sun looks north, but I've been wrong before about that. We do have red dirt. Could this be Brazil? Okay, so Portuguese. Portuguese seems like Southern Hemisphere. I'm feeling good about Brazil. The question is, where in Brazil are we? Can I find any of these towns? Here's Cascavel. And it's to the west. So we're traveling west. And it's 137 kilometers, so it's actually quite a ways away. I don't know. I'm just gonna go for it and hope they haven't figured it out. Yeah, I think they're clueless. They're clueless. Where were we? Okay, well, I misread that sign, obviously, but I'll take it. It's a good thing that I just guessed instead of getting them time to figure out we're in Brazil. Okay, somewhere uses the Cyrillic alphabet. Like in here somewhere. Maybe like even up there. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, so it was Russia. It was not where I chose. It was like, is it the Ural Mountains that are there? Okay, we got red dirt. English. Hold on. That's us. That's Nigeria. Is that Ghana? Hold on. If it was Ghana, we'd have the Ghana black tape on the car, right? We'd have the roof rack with the black tape, which we do not have. But if it's Nigeria, we're supposed to have a Nigeria follow car in Nigeria. I don't know. I saw a Nigerian flag. It's not a horrible guess, right? Okay. Yeah, the St. Catherine's, I think I've seen a flag or a sign for that before in this game. And so I wanted to say Nigeria. I thought it was in Nigeria, and I was ended up being right. Light's fine. Okay, we got sun, looks like in the north. I don't think they have giveaway signs in South Africa. Here's New Zealand. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. There's got to be a good way to tell the difference between New Zealand and Australia. That would really be helpful to know, because I don't have a clue. Okay. Italy. Yep. Yeah. That's not the first time I've confused Italy and Spain, so I'll get used to it. I'm actually going to go up near New Delhi. Screw it. See, going Bangladesh. It didn't look like Bangladeshi writing to me, but, you know, I've been wrong before. Oh, I should look at the writing. I didn't look at the writing. Okay, he was right. Well, I got destroyed. It's not Romania. So in fact, Czechia near Prague. Yeah. Okay, we got huge mountains here. Those have to be the Alps, right? All right. Total guess, but yeah, I'll take it. We got a huge river. Europe. Oh, the dot. One dot over the E's Lithuania. Is that a little bit closer? Yeah. Yeah, I guess I should have looked for big rivers. I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, I guess there's kind of a lot of them, but might have helped me out a little bit. Okay. Okay, Europe. But that's a small stop sign. That's we're in Spain, right? De Emprego. Okay, yeah, Spain. What part of Spain is this? I don't know. Wow, even further north than I thought. Well, I had the right idea, totally. Okay, that's Japanese, right? I'm scraping through here. Hold on, are those ladder poles? Okay. Okay. So, all right. You know, the best way to learn is just to play. So I'm just gonna keep playing. Here's apartments. Ugh. That's the worst camera coverage I've ever seen. So this looks southern because of these like plantation houses. So this could be, I mean, could be a lot of places. Why is the camera coverage here so bad? That's crazy. This is like generation 1. Yeah, no, yeah, okay. Definitely not up there. Definitely not up there. This looks to me... Ooh, look at that. It looked to me like it was farther north, but the sun was tripping me out, so I thought maybe it was... But yeah, no, I should have gone with my first... Okay, we're in the US. It's very flat. We got palm trees. Is this possibly Florida? Flat and palm trees usually means Florida. Could also mean southern Texas. Yeah. Makes more sense. But definitely not Colorado. You know there are mountains in Colorado, right? Like really big mountains. It's like famous for those. I notice a lot of people will just guess Colorado randomly. It's like Colorado's not a good just random guess. Unless you see mountains in the distance, you are not in Colorado. I don't know what to tell you. Like, haven't you guys seen South Park? All right. Okay. Just gonna guess near Montreal. Let's go. Part of me wants to do like a video on region guessing America. But at the same time I don't, because I win so many rounds by just knowing basic stuff about America that my opponents don't know. So like where's the incentive for me to share this information with anyone if it's winning me games, you know? That's my question to you, the audience. What is my incentive? Okay, we got a yellowish license plate. Okay, dry. This looks like Mexico again. We have some English, so presumably we're near the US. Wait, .pe. What's PE? Which country is .pe? It's not Portugal. Is it Panama or Peru or Paraguay? I mean, it's really dry. We're like in the desert. But and there's some palm trees. We're not in Mexico. I guess English would make sense in Panama because the Panama Canal, right? All right, well, I'm out of time, so it's like Panama it is. What? How the hell were we in Mexico? What the hell is .pe then? What the hell? I cannot explain that. Oh, you know what? I think this is this. I think it's South Africa. I think this the yellow road numbers. Yeah. This has got to be South Africa. With the that was Dutch or Afrikaans. They're writing. Okay. We out here. Just look for the road maybe. 53 556. I don't know. Damn it. Rust. It's right in front of my face. I'm so bad at finding stuff on the map. If anyone knows like a tutorial for how to find stuff on maps. I don't know why it's so hard for me. I can never find anything. Okay. Looks like Spanish language. Sounds like right above us. Ronda Alta. Hoxenalcina. I think Mexican Spanish uses X's and other places don't. So I'm going to go Mexico, kind of in the middle, because I don't really know where we are. I'm expecting them to do the same thing. No, they're going Bolivia. Could be Bolivia. It's actually Brazil. What the hell? That was bad. That was really bad. This looks like very northern Mexico. I'm just gonna go for it with the help. Okay. Wow. Really big river. Okay, but what if I win? Way up there. Way up there. Okay. Let's do one more. Let's see if I can end on a win. Okay, that person has a straight five in a row loss record. Surely I can beat him. Okay, right side drive. I've seen those before. These bollards here. Wish I could remember what country they were from. And yellow and red street signs. Aren't these red houses? They were Sweden last time, weren't they? It was Sweden. It was Sweden. Nice. Okay. Is Sweden the only country that uses those? Was it yellow and red? I'm gonna blue color, the stubby antenna. What does that mean? Street signs or road signs? Green and white streets or road signs. I haven't seen those before. We have a bike path. It's kind of flat, but not that flat. Is this maybe like, or maybe in Belgium? No, it was Germany. So Germany has, was it red or green and white road signs. I don't know. I saw the bike path and I figured we were up near Netherlands somewhere, but I was wrong. That's all right. Looks like Left Side Drive. Looks like Southern Sun. Yeah, it's definitely Left Side Drive. It's not Thailand. Indonesia, maybe? It was Indonesia. We're in the southern hemisphere. It's all right. Yeah, I think I definitely trust the sun too much. This looks like it could be far eastern Canada. Okay. Yeah, I think it's could even be like out here. But I'm gonna go like here. I'll bet it is. No, okay. Okay. Well, I had the right idea. Where are we? Brazil? Is this Brazil? It was northeastern Argentina. So it was near Brazil. Total wrong end of the country then. I don't know why I went northern Brazil, to be honest with you. I actually have no idea. This, I think this is Russia. You know, I was thinking it was Chelyabinsk. I actually had that thought. I think I've been on that exact street before. I needed a little bit more time to think on it. That's all. I think this might be Vietnam. Yeah, right side drive. It's a Vietnam flag. Traveen. Needed that. Yeah, I was just doing research on Chelyabinsk the other day. This is Vietnam again, I think. It's down south or up north. I kind of guess gives me like an equator feel because of the palm tree kind of looking things. But I could be totally wrong. I was right. I should have gone closer to Ho Chi Minh City. Don't know why I didn't, to be honest with you. Don't know why I didn't. Just being lazy. Left side drive. What does that say? Barenti. What place has stop signs to say Barenti again? I don't remember. Malaysia. Okay. I think we're in Europe. I assumed maybe Canada at first, but we're definitely in Europe. Is this Finland? All those double letters with the stuff on them. It's gotta be Finland, right? I'm just gonna go near Helsinki. Nice. Do I got him? I got him. All right. Good game. All right. Some good games, some bad games, some really bad guesses, some pretty good guesses. So all in all, I am in the running to proceed to master. So that's exciting. Could be the end of my Geoguessr career when I get to master, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Thanks for watching.